have Olivia here all the way from California. Hello, Olivia.
Olivia from Cali.
This is the hot seat. I'm loving this. Ace or Rich, who can answer this question? What are some common pitfalls or red flags to watch out for when working with solo ad vendors? And how can I avoid potential scams?
Ooh, wait.
You had to put that one on the hot seat, didn't you, Olivia?
Well,
okay.
you know,
you want to go at
it? In the very beginning,
ahead,
I remember, you know, I got scammed in the very beginning with solo ads. I didn't understand it in the very beginning. Nobody really does in the very beginning anyways. Mm-hmm. But I would, when you start out and you're testing out a new vendor, don't spend too much money in the very beginning. You know what I mean? If you never ran with them, or they're not part of, like, let's say like Udemy or something where it's all controlled, I would say, you know, just start off low, test the waters, see how they respond, see how they communicate with you too. Because a good solo ad vendor, what they'll do is they'll reply back and say, hey, how did your run go? Right? Because they care. They want to, you know, they want to see how you're doing. Plus, they want you to repeat business. That's really the other reason, main reason, really. But like I said, if you start off small, you don't have to worry about, let's say you're scammed for like 40, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. It's not a big deal. But I've seen people that are dumb as rocks, not kidding. They'll spend $600 in one shot, first time around, not even thinking. And then if they get scammed, they go, oh my God, I've been scammed. What do I do? Well, you just lost your money, right? You gotta use your common sense, right? Read the testimonials, see who else is buying traffic from them. You know, how often are they buying traffic from them? You know, are they known for a while by the dates of the testimonials? Are there any history? That's also important to understand, because that way you'll be able to feel more confident about buying that traffic. Because a lot of people, they don't think about this stuff, right? Like for me, what I do is when I talk to a vendor, I ask specific questions. I go, hey, when was the last time you replenished your lists with fresh leads, right? One of the major questions I like asking, because I want to make sure there's leads that are fresh. And what I'll do is I'll still ask that question, even though I look at the testimonials and I'll see the dates of the testimonials and I'll say, oh, okay, these testimonials are very recent. That means people are buying traffic recently. There's no complaints. Looks good. I'll take a shot. I'll take a test, right? So it's just using your common sense. Don't open your wallet wide open in the very beginning, you know, start low and then go up a little bit at a time. You'll be fine.
Excellent. Excellent. Hey, Olivia, you asked, there you go. Thank you for actually stopping by the hot seat to get that question answered. I'm sure a lot of people actually have a lot of experience with getting burned by solo ad vendors, and they have a bad taste in their mouth. But I'm going to tell you right now, you know, there are a lot of them out there that give a lot of good solo ad providers and vendors a bad rap. You know, they're not playing fair,
didn't we?
They're not playing fair, you know. Who's corrupting who, man?
No, but I'm saying we have
good today.
Yeah, no, we have been putting a few in the blacklist.
Yes, we have.
Yeah, we did that.
When that happens, like if you do have a bad experience with a vendor, you pay for something and they don't deliver, or they scam you in some other way, get their names on a blacklist. And what do we do with a blacklist? Go to the very community that you found that person in, and you blast them out, and you show the proof that they are a bunch of scumbags and people to stay away from and not want to buy from them ever again.
Do not buy from this.
You just say don't buy
person.
That's it. That's
and
right.
They don't want that.
Some people, let me tell you.
They don't want that.
They do not want that. Not at all.